Magnetic field sensors are mainly used to monitor the piston position on cylinders and grippers. The sensor recognizes the field of the magnet integrated in the piston through the housing wall. With their non-contact position detection, the magnetic field sensors from Balluff are absolutely reliable and wear-free. No contact erosion, no bouncing, and only clean switching points. The piston position is reliably detected even at high traveling speeds. The BMF magnetic field sensors are available for all common slot shapes and are offered in a wide range of variants. My example here is a sensor for the C slot. It is characterized by its compact design and can therefore also be used easily in very short cylinders. The front cap is made of stainless steel. This makes the sensor really robust and therefore also suitable for use in harsh environments. Another highlight is that it can be installed from above. This saves a lot of time and installation effort, as in many cases the cylinder no longer needs to be removed. These sensors are available in a wide range of variants to meet your exact requirements. Sensors for the C slot, sensors for the T slot, and universal variants for all slot shapes. But of course, there are also special versions for use in the hygienic sector, in welding applications, or with a flexible IO-Link interface. Balluff offers sensors for absolutely all applications and cylinder types. One special sensor is this one. This is our so-called twin sensor, on which two magnetic field sensors are attached to one connector. As cylinders usually have two positions to be monitored, I can collect both sensors with just one connector. This saves me a lot of wiring, time and effort. Of course, this variant is also available for a wide range of slot types and applications. This is just a small insight into the diverse range of magnetic field sensors from Balluff. You can find more information about our complete sensor portfolio and why it is just right for you in the video description.